There are people who used to hide in holes for 4 days waiting for the enemy army forces to come over just so that they could snipe a couple with their comrades deep in the trenches in the mud, raining 4 years away from their family to fight for our freedom and to die for it. And now people are losing their voices to sneezing.
Not just it's just one person.
To sneezing! To sneezing!
Yes, and we're talking about Hutch.
He got off of stream halfway through the stream due to a sneeze. All right? I want that to be known. I want that to be in the books, in the history.